Want to learn how to make an infographic using Canva? Keep watching. Log on to canva.com. There are a range of design templates to choose from. We are going to create an infographic. You can search the word infographic in the search bar. Let's select the first one, create a blank infographic. This is your workspace and this is your canvas. In the left panel, you can choose an infographic template. Some are free. Any graphic on Canva that have a crown icon on the bottom right of the thumbnail is a pro feature. Canva Pro is not free. We have plenty of options which we can customize. We can even upload our own. I am going to select an infographic that have pro graphics included to demonstrate how to work around that. Let's get editing. As you can see, the pro graphics have watermarks. So let's replace those with free graphics. Pop over to the menu in the far left, click Elements, type your theme in the search bar. Scroll through to find the relevant images and drag and drop on your canvas. You can delete the unwanted graphic by selecting it and pressing the backspace key on your keyboard, or select it and then click the trash can in the top right menu. The top right menu is where you can customize graphics and text. Resize your objects by selecting the object and using the circular handles that appear on the selection box. Now, say I want to change the direction of my object. Select it and then go to the top menu and click Flip. This allows you to flip horizontal or vertical. You can also change the transparency of objects in the top menu. But note that images with transparent backgrounds, such as logos, must be downloaded as a PNG file. However, that option is a pro tool on Canva when downloading transparent files. Every object can be customized. You can change the color scheme completely while keeping the layout. To zoom in, click the pop-up menu in the bottom right that have the percentage sign in it. What if you have to create more than one of these infographics? You can add page, duplicate, or even add notes in the top right menu of the canvas. Okay, this looks great. Let's download our file. The download button is located in the top right corner of the screen. The icon is an arrow facing down onto a small line. Once clicked, select your file type. JPEG will do for print or web. PNG will do for web. PDF will do for print or web. For this project, I recommend JPEG. Crop marks and bleed are printing instructions that will be used if sending to a printer service. Now, let's go back and talk about animation for the finesse. Select your background image and then select Animate in the top menu. The Animate menu will appear and you can choose your type of animation along with the duration. Pop over to the video menu on the far left and drag and drop a free one onto your canvas. Now your infographic is no longer going to work as a JPEG, PNG or PDF. You can download it as an MP4, which is now a video file. You can also create GIFs, which are low quality clips with no sound. And that's how you make an infographic. Thanks for watching.